Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, a couple clarifications. Number one, I am trading futures. If you don't know what futures are, I'll put a link down below to a totally free 4-part series that'll walk you through the futures market and how it all works. And second, I am trading futures through a prop firm. What is a prop firm? How does a prop firm work? Which prop firm am I using? You can find all that at the link you see at the top of the screen there. But in a nutshell, a prop firm is a way for you to have very little of your own capital at risk, and then you have a whole lot of upside potential. So if that sounds like something that could be of value to you, then like I said, check out that link. One little note, I am starting off slightly green. The one thing about the futures market that is nice is it's open 23 hours a day, 6 days a week. So there's always time to find some time to trade. And this is just a couple of trades I made before I got the live stream started. I don't know, maybe 30 minutes ago. So, overall, though, a lot of flexibility. And the other thing with the futures market, no pattern day trading rule. So if you are somebody that wants to be a day trader, but you're kind of stuck with the 3-day trades every 5 days, none of that exists in the futures market. So that's another one of those, amongst many nice things about it. So I'll pause the screen recording software for now, and I'll be back as soon as I find a potential trade. All right, I'm looking to get short at the red line if it wants to come down. I've changed to NQ contracts, which do move quicker than these ones that I was trading, but as of now, it's looking like it actually wants to go up. But like I said, if it does want to come back down, I will look for a short, which would kind of be crazy given how far it's come up. But yeah, if it were to come all the way back down, okay, well, I'll cancel that out, and if anything, maybe I should be looking for a long here. Let's see. Don't want to chase it. All right, I'll pause. Okay, looking to buy a pullback here at the green line if it wants to come. Well, never mind now. Just continues to grind higher and higher. Huh. In hindsight, that looks pretty silly thinking I was going to maybe get a short down here as it's just gone the exact opposite direction. Wow. All right, well, I'm just going to have to sit back and watch right now because to get short here, well, maybe I'll consider a short up around 61 if it wants to get up there. Yeah, I'll throw out an order. But it's got to hit it on this candle. So this candle has got to make its way up there. Just starting very small to give myself plenty of flexibility. But yeah, to go long right now seems like a total chase, but a short might get interesting. This white line is the high of the day, so the price can never get above the white line. The white line will just get adjusted upwards. All right, I'll pause. Okay, getting close. Oh, got so close. Let's go a little bit above it now. Wow, got about as close as you could get to fill the order and didn't. I mean, I really want to get long, but it's like one of these where it's like, as soon as I get long, that's going to be the time it plummets, right? Again, starting small. Okay, in. Oh, that was a nice. Oh, that was a very. I'll be fair. That was an amazing fill. I got filled and then I was automatically green, so I just took it real quick. Now, nothing big because again, I started extra small, but still, that was. It is hard to complain about fills like that. All right, next I'll start the sequence over again. Next first entry up there at that red line. Again, Clay, why don't you just get long? It keeps going up. I hear you, but like, okay, I'm in again. Again, just starting very small. Okay, so another little trade there. Now up 108. We will start the sequence over again. Wow. Remember when I thought this thing might have been a short? Remember that? That's pretty embarrassing. Well, at least I waited for confirmation. To defend myself a little bit, so I was thinking short, but I never lost any money on it because at least I did wait for confirmation. So I'll try to look at the glass is half full. All right. I would be interested in potentially buying a pullback here. Go with a little bit of a more aggressive size down here around that level. Wants a pullback. All right, I'll pause. Please tell me I was recording this whole time. Okay, I was. Yep, I'll pause. Okay, maybe. Let's hop over here. Trying to buy this pullback again, just starting small. Now, if this thing is just not a pullback and it's just going to reverse all the way back down, this will be a very painful trade. Now, I don't think that's the case, but if it is, like I said, it will be it'll be rough. Let's back up. All right, I'll pause. All right, dangerous trade, but I think this thing's got some downside momentum behind it. But I'm still going to be leery here. Okay, that was a pretty impressive comeback here. Okay, and just again starting small. Okay, another little scalp there. Slow and steady. Slow and steady. This strategy, if you're basically not able to build, then yes, it's just going to be slow, steady gains. But in those situations where you need that flexibility, and if you've watched any of my past videos, then you've seen some situations where I needed that flexibility. So I'm definitely very happy to have the flexibility when I need it. Decisions. I'm going to pass on. I was thinking a short there. I'm going to paper trade in my mind. So if it goes down to that red line, I would be filled. So I'm not going to lock in the order, but we'll see how it would have played out had I gotten filled. All right, I'll pause, and if yeah, I'll pause, and if it looks like it would have come down and filled me, then I'll get the video going. Okay, maybe here. Yep. I don't know. That would have been close. Okay, right there. Yes, I would have been in. Let's see. Oh, that would have been a real nice one. Whoops. Oh, dog. Well, it is what it is. All right. Well, at least I'll take an encouragement that my chart vision seems to be on, because that was yeah, that would have been a very nice trade. Now, if this wants to pull back some more, I'll once again be looking for a potential long here. You like these lower shadows, how they continue to show up. Come down a little bit more. All right, I'll pause. All right, looking to potentially buy the pullback here. First entry point right there. Again, just starting small. All right, I'll pause. All right, thinking about a long here, and I am long. Again, just starting small. Love to see it pop up, pop, pop, pop. Okay, was not really cooperating. I want to see it move, make the move a little quicker than what it was, because I can always re-enter, and I'm glad I got out, because look at that. All right, here we go. Let's see if I can. Does seem to be quite a few buyers down around this area. Really does seem like it might want to make the pop, so let's try again. Again, just starting small. Okay, take that. 2. So just slowly adding up, slowly adding up. There it goes. Well, if you walk away from this video with anything, hopefully you see that. Even if you're, just kind of doing the little slow method and then the mess up method, even slow and messing up, the gains can still add up. Maybe not adding up as efficiently as they could be, but as I always say, and will continue to say, the nice thing about trading is hard, don't get me wrong. But trading does not demand perfection. As you saw there, I messed up. I was, maybe probably not going to, and then it went. So that was a mess up on my part. I'm not going to try to play it off. But, the number's still growing. So growing as efficiently as possible, no. But trading is, while hard, it does not demand perfection. And if this one comes down here again, I'll probably be interested in, once again, looking for a potential long. I'll go ahead and pause. All right. Quite the drop down here. And once again, near this territory. See it come down a little bit more, but maybe I'm just being greedy. I'm going to try right there. But I admit this might be a little bit of a greedy entry point on my part, in the sense of wanting it to come down further than what it really justifies it, but we'll see. Again, just starting small. This point might as well come right down there. Want a little more. And starting small. Oh, how did it not film me? Come on now. Wow. So close yet so far away. We'll see if it wants to make another trip down there. All right, I'll pause. Okay, coming close. I only need to make a few more $100 on this one, and this is an account that will, quote-unquote, pass the test. As I mentioned, part of the prop firm journey, you have very little of your money at risk, and then you have to kind of go through a little bit of a journey. And the step 1 of that journey is to pass an account. And then after you pass the test, you get what's called a pro account. And that's what I'm getting close to on this one. So I don't need to make a whole lot, but that's why I'm trying to go slow and steady on this. Oh, got all so close, and then it went back up. All right, I'll pause. All right, I'm looking for this one to take me home. As of now, looking like another rejection at that trend line. Is this thing going to actually reject? I think so. There we go. Another nice trade on that one. Well, 1 minute I'm thinking, hey, I'm getting ready for the breakout. Then I saw that and I decided to trust the breakdown, and it did break down some more, and now at 331. So slow and steady, just let them add up, slow and steady. I'll pause. All right, this one is starting to feel heavier now. Pops up a little bit more. I'm going to get short at the red line if it comes back down. Or who knows, is this the time where it goes up to break out the trend line? Never mind on that one. I don't know if I can trust the trend line break. Ooh, all right, I'm going to try the short if it comes all the way back down here. Close. No, not quite. All right, I'll pause. All right, well, I'm just going to go ahead and call it good. Wow, this video is at 16 minutes. But yes, this is how sometimes days go, slow and steady with some mess ups, but hopefully it's an encouragement. Maybe that'll be the video. Hopefully it's an encouragement because, yes, as you saw, slow and steady, never really got the chance for the strategy to play out because, I started small and then I just happened to be right immediately from the get-go. And then you saw a couple mess ups. But with all that factored in, you saw this still grow. The numbers still went up, not as efficiently as it could have, but it still went up. So again, hopefully you find some encouragement knowing that perfection is not required to grow your numbers. Before I go, I want to invite you to get signed up for this free live online webinar that I'm offering. So if you are a beginner trader struggling, then I'm very, very confident this class can help you out, give you some things to think about in your journey. If you are a battle-hardened veteran with a rock-solid strategy, you are welcome to attend. My confidence level not very high, though, that you're going to walk away with anything really of value. You might, but like I said, confidence level way higher if you are a struggling trader or somebody who's just getting started as a beginner. So definitely get signed up for it. Go to claytrader.com/live or just check out the link in the description area to learn when the next live class is. So thanks for hanging out, everybody. Take care. Have a good one.